Hi guys, Irene here. Today I'm doing another behind the scenes photo shoot. I'm with beautiful model Shiann and my amazing makeup and hairstylist Emilia. She did beautiful job on Shiann today. It's almost 7 p.m. so we're going to be shooting with beautiful sunset, a lot of backlit pictures, my usual style. So yeah, let's start with the photo shoot. A little tip for shooting outdoors, especially in the summertime and in parks like this and tall grass like that, bring some bug spray. It's gonna save your life. If you forget, everyone's gonna just suffer and it's not gonna be fun. So we're gonna go ahead and just spray ourselves really thoroughly before we start shooting. Okay, so we're gonna start with this spot, and the reason why I love it, first of all, we have beautiful sunlight coming in from this side, getting the model backlit. Also, I like that all of the trees in the background are pretty far, so they're gonna be nice and blurry in the background. And of course, the tall grass is gonna add, again, another dimension, make everything look a little bit more 3D. As usual, I'm gonna shoot everything pretty wide open. Right now, I'm at f1.2, ISO 100, 1250 for my shutter speed. Right, and I like the wind. It's gonna make her hair kind of like fly around, yeah. That's gorgeous, Shiann, yeah. Bring maybe some of the hair, maybe on one side, like that. Yes, exactly. Let's turn around and look at me from the back like that, like over the shoulder. Yes, that is beautiful. Lovely. Okay, and let's do one more standing. I want you to do like pretend that you're walking, and we'll do the hat with this one for the walking ones. For the second outfit, we changed into this emerald nightgown that I thrifted from Value Village, and we shot a little bit closer to the river, which we are going to be shooting in next. I wonder if you stand on it, that would look pretty cool as well. So if you, okay, it's gonna be a little bit hard, but what if you stand like this?
Yeah, I'm sure that's not too hard, especially with bare feet.
So go a little bit more, it's more like delicate. So yeah, just that, stay there. And this one, I love the way it is, and just kind of like look out. Yeah, no, leave this hand down. Yes, that's it. So I'm gonna get you to go a little bit closer to the, because I don't want, yeah. And you see, I love this thing where it's like you pretend you're walking where I can see your leg, right? Yeah. So like find a spot where you're stable. Okay. Find a spot where you can really like put one foot down, you know? And then you can just kind of like play around with this foot and like pretend you're taking steps. So you were holding it differently. You were holding it like this. Yeah. Yeah, and I really like that. Hold it a little bit up higher there. Just don't worry if it goes in the water. Okay. Don't worry about it at all. Stable actually. Yeah. Okay. Like it's not wiggling or anything.
That's good.
Okay, come a little bit closer to me. Yeah, stop there. Stop there. Actually, go a little bit more this way. Yeah, that's it. All right. And look at me. Okay, and now drop your hands here. Oh, put one strap back on. Yeah, just like that. Ooh, I love that. I love the hands there. Don't move. Alright, so we are finished with our photo shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Shiann and Emilia on Instagram, and also check out Monica, who's filming the video right now. She's also an amazing photographer. I will leave everyone's links in the description. So give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I just wanted to say huge thank you to all of my sponsors this month. I truly appreciate your guys' support. And if you would like to become a sponsor yourself, you can just go ahead and click this button right here. For $5 a month, you will get to get my free snow overlays and Photoshop actions. You'll get to suggest video topics and ask me any questions in the community tab. You will also get the sponsor shoutouts in every video and get to use some of my custom emojis in the live chat and in the comments. You can cancel your sponsorship at any time, and of course, still all of my videos are going to be absolutely free on my channel. The sponsors will be just getting some special perks that I won't be offering anywhere else, and of course, I'm going to be super thankful for anyone who wants to support my channel and support me making videos here on YouTube.